top of your feet.
Top of your feet.
No, over
Hang
here.
on. It's video.
Kevin,
Stand over there.
Turn sideways, honey. I want to get a...
Side view.
I'm going to send this to your dad.
No.
Nice.
Oh, Gabe,
Okay.
Gabe, can you please just do one of these? And then maybe go.
No, I'm going over here.
Hang on. If I don't know if I got... Oh, no.
Go
Do it
stand over
again.
there.
No.
Yes.
I'm good.
No, Ryan.
We're gonna end up corrupting.
You look really comfortable in that, honey.
No, you can't. It's different when it's on your own body, isn't it?
Did you not see that?
Oh,
She maybe missed it. Do it again.
I went and I did
No,
one of
this
these.
is the mellow crowd.
Look down, honey. You get your nipple played with.
Yeah.
can't get them up when you're wearing it.
That's right.
Almost got it.
Yeah, but I can do it one-handed
One
faster
more.
than you can do it with two.
Uh.
One thing I don't get it. Sitting there looking at it with two hands.